This one starts with blue, and honestly, blue never disappoints. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas with a primary blue and a white split base. The blue alone sets the tone for this piece, calm, rich, and visually grounding from the very beginning. This is the moment where blue and white begins to spread across the canvas. I like to move slowly here, letting the paint travel and settle instead of forcing it. Watching the colors stretch and blend create a soft, calming rhythm, almost like the painting is taking its first breath. Keeping the colors split creates balance and clarity. The blue brings calm and openness, and the white creates light and breathing room. Together, they create a clean foundation without losing their identity. Before the show begins, I like to take a moment to notice the colors as they are. This is the part people don't always talk about: how the paint sits, how it relates, and how much information is already there before the first movement happens. Fluid art isn't rushed, even when the footage is sped up. The process itself is about awareness, watching where the colors want to go, noticing which one feels lighter, which one holds their space longer. All of that matters. This is where decisions are made quietly without forcing anything. Before I lay any more colors down, I always think of this moment as listening instead of acting. The paint gives you clues, and if you pay attention, the next step becomes clear on its own. On the top of the base, I poured 5 stacked puddles using cobalt blue, orange, tropical blue, yellow, and just a pinch of white. Stacking the colors allow them to sit together before movement begins, creating depth and contrast once the paint starts to flow. Layering puddles this way helps each color hold its identity longer. When the paint is stretched, the transition stays cleaner and the design feels more intentional instead of muddy. As you watch the paint move, I love for you to engage with me in the comments. What stands out to you first? The blue base, the movement, or the color contrast? Using the blow dryer, I gently guide the paint across the canvas, letting the colors stretch and respond naturally. Towards the end, I'll use my finger to swipe through the center of the pour, giving the design an upward motion and a sense of direction. This palette is one of those combinations you really can't go wrong with. The blues create a sense of calm and openness, almost like space to breathe. They settle the painting and give everything else room to exist. Orange brings warmth and movement. It adds energy without overwhelming the canvas, creating a gentle contrast that keeps the eye engaged. and yellow introduced light, not harsh, but soft and uplifting, the kind that quietly pulls everything together. When these colors come together, they don't compete with one another. They support each other. The cool tones slow things down, the warm tones bring life, and together they create a balance that feels natural, inviting, and complete. This simple swipe adds flow and an intention. Small gestures like this can completely change how the eye travels through an abstract piece. This is where fluid art becomes a collaboration. You guide the paint, but you also listen to it. The beauty comes from knowing when to step in and when to let go. As the paint settled, the composition revealed smooth movement, vibrant contrast, and a sense of balance that feels complete. This piece is a reminder that beautiful results come from trusting color, movement, and the process itself. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.